Hi, I'm Catherine Fnfn. I'm the Land and Resource Coordinator for Fort Nelson First Nation Lands Office.
We'll see what we got. I'll give you some dimensions.
We are located near Kotcho Lake, northeast of Fort Nelson, and we are currently at one of our restoration sites on our Habitat Conservation Trust Foundation project.
47, just about dead.
In year one, we conducted restoration treatments. In the fall time, we wanted to try and see if we could do the work that most places are doing in the winter, but conduct the same work in the fall under unfrozen conditions. One of the techniques that we wanted to try out on our project was to basically look at transplanting whole hummocks, so a living matter onto the line rather than some of the more traditional methods of kind of building the hummocks on line and flipping the moss. We really just wanted to create a more easy, natural look to these lines rather than some of the harsher restoration techniques that have been done so far.
3.95.
So we have a pretty in-depth vegetation monitoring program, and really what we're trying to do is compare the vegetation response to treatment online and then what the natural state of the vegetation offline is. So we're looking at terminal growth of trees, vegetation coverage online and offline, hummock size, and then we're also looking at the moisture content and the pH of the sites. Yeah, there's definitely the notion and the evidence behind linear features and kind of the ease and quickness of how wolves are moving across the landscape and how the seismic lines have opened a lot of habitat up for the wolves to move into to increase the predation on caribou. And so we're hoping through projects like this that we can start to erase some of those linear features and definitely through line of sight. Fnfn has a lot of partnerships and funders to make this work successful, and some of those are Environment Canada, HCTF, and then we also have a very close working relationship with the Firelight Group as well as Swamp Donkey, and they really help make sure that we get the field work and the data analysis done. So we've heard from the members of Fort Nelson First Nation for a number of years that they really want to see the land restored back to how it was before industry. We're definitely supporters of responsible and sustainable development, but we do want to see some of these old legacy lines that aren't utilized for winter access or any other purposes to start to be restored where they make sense. And we really view that these are the types of projects that work not only environmentally, culturally, but also in an economic matter for our members.